So here's my little preview of what my studio looks like right now. I'm sorry for the terrible video, but needed to use the iPhone. This is sort of my lame attempt at sound treatment. You can kind of see I've hung some towels and I've hung some pillows and a few of those little foam thingies. I'm gonna get around to doing it properly, or at least a little better. I've got all this stuff here that I've got to mount up. So what I wanted to show you today, this is kind of what I've settled on for doing my videos, or at least some of them. I've got some laminate flooring that I put together from Home Depot. And if you notice, there's one thing that you won't see here. No tripods. I am using 2 C-stands, and I'm using some of those magic arms by Manfrotto to hold the lights, which are these Yongnuo YN600 Airs. I'm also using it with some ball heads to mount my camera for my main, and I even have an overhead for a secondary shot, and that's using the Panasonic G85s. Right over here we've got the Audio-Technica, what is it, AT875R. Oh, everything is wired in, so no batteries on anything. I have power supplies for everything, and I've got one switch that turns everything on and off, which I really like. I got to clean up the wires and whatnot a little bit. I do have a special light here that I can adjust just for the things that I'm shooting overhead, which I think gives it a nice little look. And the only real thing on the table for the moment is my Tascam. This is my main recorder that I use. What I really like about these magic arms is that they allow me to swivel these lights around, and I can easily pull these lights right off and turn them around. If I wanted to shoot something, say a slider shot here, I could move this light around to accommodate that. But yeah, this is my rig right now, and what I love about it is I can get everything kind of out of the way and off of the sides, because I have a very limited amount of space. So everything's on the back. Before I had light stands and tripods, and this just seems to work a lot better for space. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick tour of what I've settled on for my little studio. Hopefully gives you some ideas on what you might be able to do for your studio. And I'm gonna probably do another video on the sound treatment. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and any comments or questions, go ahead and put them down below. We'll keep trying to turn out content. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris with 2-Bit Da Vinci. Until next time, bye now.